Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal card declined issue. This problem usually happens when your bank or PayPal blocks the transaction for security reasons, or when the card details are outdated. First, make sure your card is active, has enough funds, and is not expired. Then, log into your PayPal account and check under Wallet to confirm that your card details like number, expiration date, and billing address match exactly with what your bank has on file. If anything is incorrect, update it and try again. Sometimes your bank may block online or international payments, so it's a good idea to call them and confirm that your card is allowed for PayPal transactions. Also, check that your PayPal account is verified and not under any restrictions, because unverified accounts may cause declined payments. If you recently added the card, try removing it and adding it again to refresh the link. And if the issue continues, contact your bank or PayPal support to see if there are holds or blocks on the card. And that's it. That's how you fix the PayPal card declined issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.